Well, hello. Welcome to my neighborhood. Ooh, like somebody just did a mail call. Hey, welcome Blue Bite Noah's channel with an episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. Run that intro. Kick that intro, as some people say. All right, folks, welcome back. Welcome back, Carter. I got this. You can see what it says. See if you can read it. That's for a surprise. Yeah, buddy. So this is my SUZCO lights. If you watched last week's episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed, we went to a bike night. And that's the one I need right there. Right on top. And it's plugged in. Once it's plugged in there. There's one I need. That's one not plugged in. There's another one. Might need to boot that one. I'm going to test something. Because somewhere over the rainbow. I noticed my lights that's inside my fairing wasn't changing colors. It would go yellow. It would go some colors, but I guess some colors are messed up. Let's just hope we ain't got to rerun the whole wire. So I'm just going to test it. Yep. Test. Well, that's real good. You coming in, Bohanna? You staying out? Catch that bee. Well, as you can see, I cut the light off. And, yeah, what I was saying is this one on this side was going back to, wouldn't stay but yellow or green. I had white over there, but I had green over here. Or yellowish green. But I guess I just threatened to fix it. And it's working. It's running through all the colors. What did I do with that remote? There it is. See, I put it back on white. That's supposed to be white. It's a dull white. And you can make it flash. It flashes. Nope. There's flash. Flash Gordon. Ooh. Oh, Lord. That's strobing. That's not flash. I think that's called disco. I don't know. That's fade. I can slow it down or speed it up. I think we need to slow it down some. There you go. That's called fade. And back to that's flash. Whew. That's fade. This is called smooth. Not much different because you ain't using all the colors. So yeah, I can change the colors, all the colors I want. Ooh, cut it off. Cut it back on. Cut it back on and let's go to smooth. Smooth jazz. Well. Hey, oh, hey. Teleman come, Teleman come, hey, hey. Oh, well, Teleman come, hey. Oh, Lordy. Hey, if you didn't know, that was voice activated. Voice activated. Hello. Ooh, I'm going to try something. I got to cut the light back on. And stop. You know what the name of this is called? It's called Dickin' Around in the Shed. That's what we're doing, dicking around. Be pretty on the other side. But, what was I going to do? Oh, yeah, I'll be right back. I show you something that Lucille does. Yeah, buddy. Yep, just, hello. Dicking around in the shed. Give me a second here. Yes, come on. Give me that. Give me here. There you go. Accept. I don't want that. I want home. That. Come on. No. Don't turn the volume up. There you go. No, turn the volume up. I want to hear it. Message. Hold on, it's still seeking. Okay.
Hello, I'm Lucille and you're watching a blue bike and oil dicking around in the shed. Hello, I'm Lucille and you're watching a blue bike and oil dicking around in the shed.
Did you get that? Here's my, it won't say it, will it?
Auto-generated text. I will work if I feel like I need to talk with you, I'll contact you. Auto-generated text. I will work if I feel like I need to talk with you, I'll contact you.
That's my auto-generated message. So when you text me, that's the message you get. Oh, Lord. All right, we're going to try this again. Lights off. Lights, camera, action. I put more spaces in there, so maybe you can see.
Hello, I'm Lucille. Welcome to the Blue Bike and Oil channel, dicking around in the shed.
That didn't do too good with us. Hello. Hey. All right, now play. Play it again, Lucille. Oh, wait a minute. It just tells me who called. Me. Who texted?
Hello, I'm Lucille. Welcome to the Blue Bike and Oil channel, dicking around in the shed.
Hey. All right, it's off. Oh, me, I can't go GoPro stop recording because I don't have that hooked up. Well, hey, hope you enjoyed that. Now I got to put all this up. Yep. Well, I have no idea what that was. What we was going to do is fix those lights. I'm just going to replace them. It's the only thing I could figure out. Why would the color be different? So I guess the brain froze up. I don't know. But anyway, that's a quick having fun. I bet you Indians don't talk to you. I bet you Gold Wings don't do that either. Anyway, enough about it. It's not what you ride, it's who you ride with. Is that what it says? Oh, let me cut this off. Cut it off. You're running your battery down. Boop, boop. No boop, boop. No boop, boop. Guess no boop, boop. Anyway, this has been a review of this lights. If you want to check them out, I got videos on them where I installed them. Yep, you can check it out right there. Right there. Hit the subscribe button over here and we'll catch you around later.